Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to our third day of our sneaky peeks from our 114th edition release. Today we have a fun brand new die set that we are showcasing today. It's called the Tall Christmas Tree Die. So basically it's called Tall Christmas Tree Die because it coordinates like with my tall / skinny card series. Remember I told you my version of the skinny cards are called the tall cards only because the sizes are not the exact same as your standard skinny one, okay? So anyways, this is it right here. I wanted to make this a simple tree. I didn't want nothing too fancy. I wanted it to be simple because you could do several different things with it. So I'm super excited about that. Well, not several, but a few different, and I'll show you. So basically there is a bottom layer. There's a second layer here where you could go ahead and make a shaker out of it if you want. And then all these little circles, and they're all in one die. Those are little ornaments you could decorate with. There's a little star for the top, and then this is your little part where you could put the little tree trunk just like so. So I'm going to show you the card I made using it, and I absolutely love it. I'm using that paper that I did on yesterday's card, which is from, let me see what the name of this is again. It is from Dress My Craft. This is it right here, called Christmas Bells. I love this paper, and I'm so happy I found it in my stash. So anyways, this is it right here. I turned it into a shaker card, and then I also used my layered banner, the layered banner dies, and then I also used the brand new, what are they called? The holiday banner sentiments that we showcased on Monday. So that's it right there. Merry Christmas, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. For the card I used my little cute. Now, before I send it out, I'm going to go ahead and put it inside in here. But I used my cute card, this set right here. Ooh, hold on. Okay, this one here, my cute card dies. And this comes with an actual card base, along with 8 layering dies. So you have 4 stitched and 4 embossed for this set here. That's what I used for this. And this is, again, my version of the cute card series are my version of the slim line, of the mini slim line, okay? And then the little banner dies, these are the ones I use with my layered banner dies. Now this one and the cute card, those are older dies, so those are existing. The only one brand new that we're showcasing is this one here, that adorable little Christmas tree. So you could do it like this, okay? And then instead of doing a shaker, what I did was I cut it out with using some foam to pop it up. Or you could go ahead and what I did was I actually got that little star die and I kind of like layered it on top of each other, but I kind of rotated it so it could look like a whole bunch of little, little star thingies, or I'm not sure what you call them, sticking up. There's that, and then I put the little thing. So I'll be having a project made with this on Friday. I cannot wait for you to see it. So yeah, so basically, in order to go ahead now, and then also you could just use the plain, you could, the back, you could just use each portion by themselves on the card. You don't have to, or you could put them side by side on an A2 size card. But basically what you want to do to actually make an actual shaker card, okay, go ahead and you're going to go ahead and line this up here on your, let me grab this so I can show you. You're going to go ahead and line it up on your little plates, okay? Just like so. So you're going to put that one, and then you're going to go ahead and just kind of just like line this up in the center the best you can. Okay? So basically what you're going to do, grab your cardstock, run that through your machine first, and then when you run it through your machine, the part that's going to come out is this little outline part here. That's what's going to come out when you run it through your machine, is the outline part, okay? And then you want to go ahead and remove this portion here. Okay, so you could go ahead and remove that portion, and then you're going to go ahead and cut this out in the clear acetate and your colored cardstock that you want to put underneath it. So you're going to go ahead and grab your little outline part, turn it over, adhere your clear acetate on there, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and when you cut out your outline, make sure you throw, as soon as you cut it out with your cardstock, after you cut it out with your cardstock, throw a piece of foam in there so you could go get an outline too of it. So what you're going to do is adhere the outline to your clear acetate, and then you're going to go ahead and put that outline foam underneath. Go ahead, throw your sequins in there, and then you're going to go ahead and attach the cardstock. Now I have a card plan next week, I think, and I could go ahead and show you the whole process on camera. But that's just a quick little rundown for you. I have a deadline I have to meet, so I can't. I wish I could do it right now for you, but I can't. But I will, I promise, next week. I'll go ahead and show you how to do the shaker. I'll give you a visual on that. Anyways, so that is it, everyone. That is our little sneaky peek for today for our day 3. So, you know what, let me quickly just give you a quick little size on this, just in case you're wondering. Okay, so this is with the little star attached and the little tree trunk, it's 6 inches, okay? And then if you want to, without any of it, it is 5 inches without the little trunk, because you don't have to put a trunk on there, you know what I'm saying? You can do it however you want. So that is it, everyone. So that is what we are showcasing today, which is our tall Christmas tree die. Head on over to my blog at www.creativeTimeForMe.com to see what the rest of my amazing team has for you using this set. And also don't forget to leave your comments on all of our blogs for a chance to win this brand new die set. All winners will be announced Friday during the blog hop at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is the time that everything will be available for sale as well. Okay, everybody? So thanks again so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here tomorrow for our last day of our sneaky peeks. Bye-bye.